Hi, I'm Julia and I own Lash Tribe. Our training is a little different. Even though I have trained more than 2,700 students worldwide with our online courses, I still feel that you will get the most out of eyelash extension training if it is done in person. Anyone who trains with us in person also receives the corresponding online course, and you will have that one for life. You will also receive a full eyelash extension kit, and you can do your first 20 to 25 clients with that kit. You will even get your own Lash Light. We offer all types of classes from beginners to advanced, from our 2 or 3 day classic course where you include hybrid as well as pre-made lashes and classic, of course. And then we have a 5-day course that includes classic to handmade Russian volume. And of course, we also offer payment plans for up to 12 months. We run our trainings regularly in very small groups of only up to 4 students per trainer. You'll also get lifetime support, and you'll become part of the Lash Tribe family, with lots of other Lash Tribe artists from all over the world. But why are we different? Well, Lash Tribe is one of the OGs in the industry. I don't hold back anywhere. I share all the info, all the knowledge that I have. If you are looking for a quick certificate without doing the work and just do a half-day course, Lash Tribe unfortunately is not the right fit for you. I am all about sustainability of this industry and providing the best training possible. And unfortunately, there are a lot of trainers out there that are just after a quick buck without the experience behind them, and this is why we end up with so much crappy work in this industry. A lot of training providers just throw certificates at their students to get them out the door, but we don't do that here. We live and breathe lashes since 2010. And not only have I done lashes since 2010, I've also traveled the world to train and speak and share the love of lashing. I'm also on the board of the National Association of Lash Artists, also called NALA, and have been training other trainers since 2018. I love lashes, but I also love business, and I've been a business growth coach for many years. Was even featured in Forbes and have been teaching other salons how to become profitable. So I've done the walk to do the talk. And yeah, I have made many mistakes, but most importantly, I have done this for so many years that I can share with you those mistakes and how to avoid them and actually teach you the right way. Because being a good lash artist is one thing, but a lot of girls or boys are not going to be very good at business, and this is what I teach as well. So over the last decade, I have really learned what it takes to run a successful business, and I share that with our students. I want our students to not only be good at lashes, but obviously in business. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to have a sustainable business with profits. So if this sounds like something you would like to do and you are ready to get to work without cutting the corners, make sure you get in contact with us. Send us a message, and I hope to see you here soon.